Hi guys, welcome to this session in Microsoft Word. In this module, I want to show you how you can create your own cover page using document properties. So on the screen, I've got a finished version of what I want to achieve. So these are document properties that I've inserted into this document. You can see there's all little boxes there coming from the document properties area. I've added a text box down this left-hand side, which says company cover and my company logo. Now, if I just get myself a new document, Control N, and go to Insert Quick Parts, because that's where I've put this, in there, you've got this building organizer. If I come down to the cover pages, you've got that one there, look. So I've added it into here, and I can just insert that, and it is ready to go. So for example, there, I can type training. It's already got my name because I'm logged on as myself. I can put whatever I want in there as a company, subject, access, publish date, select a date. I'll pick today's date, like so, and then you're ready to go with your cover page. Now, to create this and use document properties, this is what I've done. So I'm getting myself a blank file. Document properties live, if you go to File, Info, these are the document properties. And if you open it up, you can see a few more. So you can fill these in through here, or you can fill them in as I did just 2 seconds ago on that demonstration. It's totally up to you how you do it. And then whatever's in these will appear in the list. If you go back into your documents, when you go insert and go to quick parts, you've got document properties there. So it lists them here. So you can type whatever you want. So for example, if I do this one with company at the top, and then just press enter on that, and then get another one, just fill it in, document properties. I'll pick publish date, and then come down, and then pick a different one. Subject, that'll do. Now you can create your own properties. Let's do that one. So if you go back into File, Info, if I want to create my own properties, you've basically got at the top here where it says Property, Advanced, and you can go into this little box. So in this box, you've got some general information, summary information, statistics, and comments. Where you need to go is Custom, and then you've got all the ones that are already there, and you've got options here to create text, date, number, yes, no. I'm going to leave this on text. I'm going to give it a name. I'm going to call it contact, and then the value I will just put a word, just so I've got some text on the screen that I can overtype if I need to. So it's just going to be like the ones I've already put in subject. So I'll just put the same word there, contact, that you can then overtype. Once you've done that, you click on add, and then you click OK. Now what doesn't happen, that does not appear in this list, anywhere in this list. And it also, if you go back into the document, the quick parts, and to document properties, that contact that you just did, or I just did, is not in that list either. So how do I get it, you might ask yourself. What you have to do is go to the field option. Now when this box opens, this shows you all the different fields you've got. You need to get yourself down here into document properties in here. Dot property there, missed it, that one. And then you should see contact, the one I've done there. It sits in this list, and this is how you insert it. Click OK, and then you've got the word contact there. Now, to add this as a cover page, you don't really need to fill this in, but if you wanted to, you could do. But I'm going to add this as a cover page. So what I want to do is add a shape. So if I'm going to insert shapes, and just a rectangle, which I can then type on. I'll just go down the margin like this, and in there I'll just type company cover page, Now the text is sitting like that. I want it coming down, so I need to go to text direction over here and just change that into this one. And then I'm going to make that a little bit bigger. So I'm doing Control right square bracket, which will increase the font until it's nice and big, like that. Click off it. Now I need to make that a little bit smaller because it's obviously intruding onto my field. Now last but not least, I want to get into the header and put my company logo in there. But before I do that, I need to just get it and then set the text wrapping feature to behind text, so I can put it in the header. So I'll just make that a little bit smaller. Cut it first, get into the header, put it over there, move it over, come out of the header, and then just finish this off by making it nice and neat at the top there. The whole thing can go to the margin a little bit down the bottom. You've got quite a bit of scope there to pull that down. Now I've got this how I want it. I need to save this as a cover page, but before I do that I need to do a few adjustments. For example, this custom document property that I created will not be saved in the quick parts gallery, so I need to get rid of that. So I will get rid of that. The logo is in the header, and anything in the header will also not be saved in the quick parts gallery. So what I need to do is get that out of there. So I'll just cut that out, cut, and just paste it, and then move it over to the top corner there. And then I want to spread these out a little bit. So if I come down a bit, those two can stay there. If I press enter for the subject line to come down, like so, and then you maybe want to put some other fields there, it's up to you. So that's what I want. Now if I do Control A, that selects everything including the logo, and then I can add it, insert, quick parts, save selection. I'm going to call this Microsoft, and it wants to go into the cover pages area. That's all I want. Clicking OK to that. Now to see if it works, you do Control N to get another one, blank document. You go to the Insert tab, you go to Quick Parts, into Building Block Organizer. You come down to the cover pages, cover, and you click on Microsoft, which has got the logo as well. You click Insert, and everything drops in place. You can now fill it in. So I'll put Microsoft as a company, publish date today, and then subject word training. And if you want to look at the properties themselves, so I've just filled that in. If you go back to file info, you'll see that that information has been filled in. So that's all I want to talk about in this little video, how you can create your own cover page using document properties and add it into the quick parts gallery. So hopefully that information is of use. Thank you for your time. I'll catch you in the next one.